Agarwood is a traditional precious medicinal material and natural fragrance in our country and Southeast Asian countries, known as the king of fragrances, with various pharmacological effects such as analgesic, anti-diarrheal, anti-inflammatory, and antibacterial properties. In terms of beauty and skincare, Agarwood essential oil has antioxidant and anti-aging effects that can moisturize the skin. Due to its high price and scarce resources, seeking a good quanlity Agarwood factory is very difficult. Here are the reasons for choosing Allsunnyenergy Agarwood pure natural products. Offers 100% pure natural Agarwood products. High quality raw materials. All Agarwood trees are over 13 years old, with an average diameter of 25 to 55 cm. Comprehensive services. Provides a one-stop service from planting to processing, refining, and sales. Advanced extraction technology. Utilizes Colorado to supercritical extraction technology, which outperforms traditional steam distillation methods. Authoritative certification. Designated as a partner by the Chinese National Brain Science Research Institute and the Life Science Research Institute. Large-scale production capacity. Possesses the largest essential oil inventory and Agarwood essential oil factory in China. Continuous supply. Has 500,000 Agarwood trees over 13 years old and a 5,000-acre Agarwood planting base. Innovative technology. Employs a patented microbial phase technology to improve the quality and yield of Agarwood high-purity ingredients. The Agarwood extract contains more than 68.68% SES quipenoids. Own production facilities. Owns its own factories, machinery, and assembly lines. Capable of direct processing from China. Allsunnyenergy Abag provides strong reasons for customers to choose its Agarwood products through its high-quality products, advanced technology, and comprehensive services.